A sleek, eye-catching housing design that joins the affordability and mass customization possibilities of precast concrete with a low-maintenance home appealing to all ages and needs. This is Enjoy, a generation house. The house is designed for a fictitious elderly couple who is interested in retiring to the Jersey Shore. And what's interesting about our client is one of them is wheelchair bound. So the entire house is designed using universal design principles, and what that means is that anybody who's interested, any age range, could move into this house and use the house barrier-free.
Layout is in accordance with ADA, Americans with Disabilities Act. So we have one level that's centralized around our central core, and we have ramps on either entrance. There's no stairs. We have floating fixtures in the house made of concrete, heavy material, and what they do is they actually mount into metal brackets in the wall, giving the appearance of floating off the ground. Something that we thought was important not only conceptually, but also it allows us to have accessibility access for ADA standards.
Everything in the home has a dual purpose. So a hallway is not just a hallway. A closet is not just a closet. For example, our main closet space is storage, laundry, and an office space. Another example of that is our living, dining, and kitchen. Since it's a small home, you have everything centralized right in one core.
The landscape of the house was designed primarily to promote outdoor physical activity. So on the north side there's a large public space, which is where you would go outside to have dinner or lunch. The eastern side is kind of more privatized, closer to the bedroom, where you would go out or try to enjoy a cup of coffee while the sun rises in the morning.
We designed the Enjoy house with the idea that it would be both mass producible and mass customizable. We could roll these things out on assembly lines, and that would dramatically drive down the cost of any Enjoy house. As a property of concrete, the house is fire resistant, it's earthquake resistant, it's waterproof, so the leaky ceilings and roof is less of a worry than a typical A-frame house. Just during construction, we use little to no VOCs. Concrete is mildew and mold and even pest resistant, and just upkeep and typical cleaning, it's much easier to clean than a sheetrock wall.
We really wanted to show the versatility of concrete. Not only can it be structural, not only can it be a piece in the house, such as our closet, it also can be colored, different colors. Our floors are a darker slate gray, and our walls are trying to be lighter and white, trying to lighten up the space. We really wanted to take what concrete is doing for us efficiently and in the energy aspect, and also showcase it in the idea of how it can be finished in architectural design, interior design, and industrial design.
Most of the house's eye-catching aesthetic comes from the design of the roof, which is designed entirely to optimize our solar and our rainwater collection. The house will stand out on a block. It doesn't look like your typical wood-framed house in any neighborhood in America, but what it stands for is a good thing that we all want to see the future of housing.